Cows make funny noises, like moos, snorts. Here are some things that make cows funny. Their clumsiness. Cows are often quite clumsy and can trip over their own feet, fall into ditches, or get stuck in strange places. Their expressions. Cows have expressive faces that can make them look funny. They can look surprised, scared, happy, or even grumpy. Their sounds. Cows make funny noises, like moos, snorts, and bellows. Their behavior. Cows can be curious and sometimes get into trouble for investigating things they shouldn't. They can also be playful and enjoy chasing each other or playing with toys. If you're looking for a good laugh, I recommend checking out some funny cow videos online. You won't be disappointed.